students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the next exercise, that is 11.4. So we are going to start with question number 1. So I am reading the question. Okay. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectares, right? So first thing I want to make it clear about this type of question is the figure you have to draw it by your own. The figure will not be given in the question, okay? You have to think and you have to make the figure. And according to figure, we have to solve the question, right? So we are talking about the garden whose length is 90 meter and breadth is 75 meter. So that garden, I have written with red ink, that is A, B, C, D is that garden. And this PQRS is that path which is having 5 meter that is built outside the garden, right? Path is made outside the garden, that is of 5 meter. When we are talking about the areas of ABCD garden, so it is very clear that length into breadth 90 into 75. But when we are talking about the area of PQRS, PQRS includes the area that is this 5 meter and this 5 meter and this 90. Okay. Same way when we are talking about the breadth will include this 5, this 75 and this 5. Okay. Now come to the answer. Let ABCD represents the rectangular garden. So this is the ABCD garden whose length is 90 meter and breadth is 75 meter. And this is the shaded portion, as I have drawn the line. The shaded portion represents the path 5 meter wide around the garden. Okay, this 5 meter is on this side, this side, this side and this side. Right. So first we will find out the area of rectangular garden, that is ABCD. So the formula is length into breadth. So 90 into 75 we have to do. AB into AD, 90 into 75, we get 6,750 meters square. Since we are finding the area, the unit should be in meter square, in square unit. So since meter is the unit, so meter square. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. In the question it is given that we have to find the answer in hectares. So 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. So area of rectangular garden, that is ABCD, this unit we have to convert it into hectares. So just divide by 10,000. So we will get the value 0.675 hectare. Okay. This is the first part in which we have find the area of ABCD rectangular garden, length into breadth, and we have converted into hectares. If the hectare is given in the question, then only you have to find it. Otherwise, there is no need to find the hectare. Okay. Now come to the next, that is PQRS. We are talking about PQRS. So PQ, we are talking about the length. Length include, as I told you previously, length include this 5 meter, this 5 meter and this 90. So 5 plus 90 plus 5, that will give 100 meter. Same way we are talking about the breadth. Breadth will include this 5, this 75 and this 5 meter. So that is 5 plus 75 plus 5, that is 85 meter. Again we have to find the area of PQRS. Area of PQRS is length into breadth, PQ plus PS, sorry, PQ into PS, 100 into 85, so we get 8,500 meters square. Again, we have to convert this unit into hectares, so we will divide it with 10,000, so we will get the answer 0.85. Now, we have to find the question. The final question is to find the area of path. For finding the area of path, the shaded portion, what you have to do? You have to subtract area of PQRS. From the bigger rectangle, we have to subtract the smaller rectangle area, that is area of ABCD. So from 0.85 minus 0.675. So when you subtract, we will get the answer 0.175 in hectares. Okay. So question is very simple. First we have to find the area of ABCD, that is length into breadth. Only the second thing that is important, that is PQRS. When we have to find the length of PQRS, PQRS includes the length of this 5 meter, this 5 meter and this 90. Same way, breadth also this 5 and this 75. The only thing that we have to do extra in this PQRS Then after that, convert, the question is given, we have to find the answer in hectares. Convert the unit area in hectares. After converting, the question is to find out area of path. For finding the area of path, what you have to do, just subtract the area of PQRS minus ABCD. You will get the final answer, that is 0.175 hectare. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 2. Just I am reading the question. A 3 meter wide path runs outside around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. So one thing I want to make it clear, this question is homework for you. Same as the previous question, only the number is changed. In the previous question it was 5 meter, okay, and the length was 90 and 75. So only the number is changed. Now the ABCD is the garden, okay, whose length is 125 meter and breadth is 65 meter, and PQRS is the path around whose 3 meter the width is given. Now what you have to do is, area of the ABCD garden you have to find out, that is 125 into 65, length into breadth, okay. So 125 into 65, you will get 8,125 meters square, and the steps will be as the previous question, right? As the same as the previous question, only the number is changed, okay. So I'm just telling what you have to do it, okay. So area of PQRS, so PQRS include, we're talking about the length, this 3 plus 125 plus this 3 meter, and about the breadth, this 3 plus 65 plus this 3, okay. Add it, you will get 131 and 71. Find the area, that is length into breadth. Then area of the path, same as the previous question, area of the path we have to find out. So what you have to do is area of PQRS minus area of ABCD, okay. Same as the previous question, only the number is changed, okay. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. So this question is homework for you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 3. I am just reading the question. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. That we have to find out the total area of the margin. So this ABCD represents the painting, cardboard painting, okay, and this EFGH, apart from that is EFGH, this is the margin, that is of 1.5 meter, 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. Here also 1.5, here also 1.5, here also 1.5 and 1.5 centimeter, okay. So one thing I want to make it clear in this question, whole board is ABCD, okay, whole, that is the whole cardboard used for painting. So this whole portion is used for painting. After that, this margin was set up, okay, this margin was set up. So from here to here portion, this portion was reduced. Same from this portion, from this A to C, 1.5 centimeter is reduced from this side. Same 1.5 is reduced from this side, and this from 1.5 from this side also it is reduced. So about the cardboard, this much portion is reduced from 4 sides, okay. Now the question is, you have to find the area of the margin, right? So first, let ABCD represent the painting. So this whole ABCD is representing the painting, whose length is 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter it is wide. So first we'll find the area of ABCD, okay, width of the painting with margin, okay, ABCD includes margin, okay. So AB is 5 and AC is 8, length of the painting and the width of the painting. So area is AC into AB, that is length into breadth. Just write the formula here. I'm just writing here length into breadth. Just write it, okay? So length into breadth, that is 8 into 5, 40 centimeters square. This is all about the cardboard ABCD with margin. Now we are talking about EFGH. Okay, the length of the painting without margin. Okay, this portion is without margin, only EFGH. We are talking about only EFGH. The length of the painting, that is EG. The length is from this 8, this much portion is reduced. This is reduced from this side and this side. That's why we are doing subtraction here. So 1.5, we can do 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3, 8 minus 3. In that way also we can do it, or 8 minus 1.5 minus 1.5, you will get 5 centimeter. Okay. Same way we are talking about the width of the painting without margin. So without margin we are talking about only this much portion. So from 5, 1.5 we have to subtract, and this 1.5 we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3, that is 2 centimeter. 5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5, you will get 2 centimeter. Then area of painting without margin, that we have to find out. Without margin, only this portion we have to find out, that is length into breadth, that is EG into EF, right? EG into EF, that is 5 into 2, 10 centimeters square. Okay, so I just made a line here, so don't get confused. Now area of the margin, this margin, we have to find the area here. So area of the margin is from ABCD, from ABCD area we have to subtract EFGH. So 40 minus 10, that is 30 centimeter square. Okay, so this was the answer. Since whole cardboard is used for painting, okay, whole cardboard is used for painting, and after that this much portion is reduced. That's why we have subtracted in this question. We have used a subtraction in this question. Okay, we have subtracted the units here. So final area of the margin, that is area of ABCD minus area of EFGH, you will get 40 minus 10, that is 30 centimeters square. Hope the question is clear to you. Hope the figure is clear to you. This is the ABCD cardboard. Whole cardboard is used for painting, and after that this margin is made. So while making this margin, this much area is reduced. That's why we have subtracted in this question. Okay. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 4. So I'm reading the question. A veranda of width 2.25 meter wide is constructed all along outside of a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the area of veranda, the cost of cementing floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200. So two things we have to find out here. So first, ABCD represents the room whose length is 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter, and PQRS represents the veranda. This is the shaded portion whose 2.25, this is the width of this veranda. Okay. Now here ABCD represents the rectangular floor room whose length is 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter, and the shaded region, this is the shaded portion. Okay. Shaded region represents the veranda 2.25 meter wide all along the outside the room. So okay, so this is the room and this veranda is outside the room. So first we will find the area of rectangle, that is ABCD. So 5.5 into 4 meter, so we will get 22 meters square. Now come to the next part, that is PQRS. We are talking about PQRS. So PQRS include, we are talking about the length. So PQ includes 2.25 meter plus 5.5 plus 2.25. Same way PS, we are talking about the breadth. So 2.25 plus 4 meter plus 2.25, right? So when we add these two, length and breadth, we get 10 meter and 8.5 meter. So area of rectangle, that is PQRS. This PQRS, we have to find the area of that. So 10 into 8.5, you will get 85 meters square. Okay. Now the first thing, area of veranda we have to find out. So area of veranda is area of PQRS minus area of ABCD, that is 85 meters square minus 22 meters square. So we get 63 meters square. This is the first part of the question that we have to find out. And the second part was cost of cementing 1 meter square of floor of veranda. The cost is given 200 rupees. So here the cost of cementing 63 meters square of floor of veranda. So we have to just multiply this 200 with 63, where we will get rupees 12,600. Okay. So this is all about the second part we have to find out. The question is same as the previous question of that we have done, question 1 and 2. Okay. So it is all about the same thing. We have to add, when we find the length of PQ, we have to add 2.25 plus 5 plus 2.25, and we are talking about the breadth of PS. So 2.25 plus 4 plus 2.25, right? This thing we have to do extra in this part. And length into breadth for ABCD. After finding this, we have to find the length into breadth of PQRS. And for area of veranda, we have to subtract it. So we get 63, and the cost is given rupees 200 for 1 meter square. So for 63 meters square, just multiply with 200 and 63 with 200, you will get to rupees 12,600. Okay. Now the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, come to question number 5. I'm just reading the question. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path, first thing that we have to find out, and the second is the cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Since we are talking about the square garden, okay, so it's a square garden. A, B, C, D. Side is given 30 meter. Then this is the shaded portion. The gap is of 1 meter, 1 meter, here also 1 meter, and here also 1 meter. Okay. So ABCD represents the square garden of side 30 meter, and the shaded region represents the path, that is 1 meter, built along inside the square garden. Okay, first this ABCD is made, after that inside this 1 meter path garden is 1 meter pathway is made. Okay, so this inside portion is there, okay, inside the square garden. So first we will find the area of square ABCD. The area is side into side or side square. So 30 square, that is 30 into 30 also you can write it, or 30 square directly you can write 900 meter square. Now we are talking about inside this PQRS. When we are talking about PQ include this 1 meter and this 1 meter. So 30 minus 1 we get 28. PS also, we are talking about the breadth. 30 minus 2, that is 28. So we find that PQ is a square, so PQ is equal to SR is equal to PS is equal to QR, that is 28 meter. Okay, so since it's a square, the area of PQRS is side square. So side into side, that is 28 into 28, that you will get 784 meter square. Okay, now this first part, area of the path we have to find out. So area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS, that is 900 minus 784 meter square, you will get 116 meter square. Now the next part is cost of planting grass in 1 meter square of garden, that is the cost is given rupees 40. So therefore the cost of planting the grass in 784 meter square, that is 40 into 784, you get rupees 31,360. Okay, so since ABCD is a square garden, inside this the path is made of 1 meter. Okay, this is PQRS. So inside this it is made, that's why we have done the subtraction here. Okay, so up to question number 5 we are going to do in this exercise. Rest of the question, that is of crossroad, that we are going to do it in the next video. Okay, hope the question is clear to you. Practice the questions, do the homework, and if you have any doubt, just drop your message in Campus Care. Okay, thank you, take care, just go through it.